Have you ever wondered why some people seem to glide effortlessly through their day, while others struggle with even basic movements? In this video, we'll delve into the best leg exercises that can transform not just your workout routine, but your entire life. For those who play sports, strong legs are indispensable. Whether it's the explosive power needed for a soccer sprint or the endurance required for a marathon, leg strength is foundational. Improved performance in sports often starts with enhancing leg strength and stability. Beyond the practical and performance aspects, strong legs contribute significantly to overall health. They help in maintaining a healthy weight, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Moreover, strong legs support better posture and spinal alignment, reducing back pain and improving mobility as we age. Understanding the major muscles in the legs helps in targeting them effectively during workouts. The primary muscles include the quadriceps, located at the front of the thigh, crucial for extending the knee and providing stability. The hamstrings, at the back of the thigh, essential for bending the knee and extending the hip. The glutes, or buttocks, playing a significant role in hip extension and stabilization. The calves, found at the back of the lower leg, vital for movements like walking, running, and jumping. And the hip adductors and abductors, which help in moving the legs towards and away from the body, important for lateral movements and stability. But what are some of the best exercises for leg strength? Number 1. Squats. Squats are often hailed as the king of leg exercises, and for a good reason. They target the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and even the core. To do a squat, stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower your body as if you're sitting back into a chair, keeping your chest up and knees over your toes. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. The benefits include improving overall leg strength, enhancing mobility and balance, and engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Number 2. Lunges. Lunges are excellent for isolating each leg, improving balance, and targeting the glutes, quadriceps, and hamstrings. To do a lunge, stand with your feet together and take a big step forward with one leg. Lower your hips until both knees are bent at about a 90-degree angle. Push back up to the starting position. The benefits include enhancing unilateral strength, improving coordination and balance, and providing variability to target different muscle groups. Number 3. Deadlifts. Deadlifts are superb for building overall strength, targeting the hamstrings, glutes, lower back, and core. To do a deadlift, stand with your feet hip width apart, holding a barbell in front of your thighs. Bend at the hips and knees, lowering the barbell while keeping your back straight. Lift the barbell by extending your hips and knees, returning to the starting position. The benefits include building posterior chain strength, improving posture and core stability, and being versatile, able to be performed with different equipment. Number 4. Step-ups. Step-ups mimic the natural movement of walking upstairs and target the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. To do a step-up, stand in front of a bench or step. Place one foot on the bench and push through your heel to lift your body up. Step down with the same foot and repeat. The benefits include improving functional strength, enhancing balance and coordination, and being done with or without weights. Number 5. Calf raises. Calf raises are essential for building strong calf muscles, crucial for walking, running, and jumping. To do a calf raise, stand with your feet hip width apart, raise your heels off the ground as high as possible, and slowly lower back to the starting position. The benefits include strengthening the calves and improving ankle stability, enhancing explosive power, and being performed anywhere with no equipment. Number 6. Bulgarian split squats. Bulgarian split squats are a variation of lunges that provide an intense workout for the quadriceps, glutes, and hamstrings. To do a Bulgarian split squat, stand a few feet in front of a bench, with one foot resting on the bench behind you. Lower your body into a lunge, keeping the front knee over the toes. Push through the front heel to return to the starting position. The benefits include improving unilateral strength and stability, targeting the lower body intensively, and enhancing balance and coordination. Before diving into these exercises, a proper warm-up is essential. A dynamic warm-up increases blood flow to the muscles and prepares them for intense activity. An effective warm-up routine includes jogging or jump rope for 5 minutes to increase heart rate, leg swings forward, backward, and side to side to loosen the hip joints, bodyweight squats for about 10 to 15 reps to activate the quadriceps and glutes, and lunges for about 10 reps per leg to engage the lower body muscles. After an intense workout, cooling down helps in muscle recovery and reduces soreness. An effective cool-down routine includes a light jog or walk for 5 minutes to lower heart rate, static stretching, holding each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds, focusing on the quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, and glutes, and foam rolling to massage the leg muscles and alleviate tension. Below are some tips for maximizing leg strength workouts. Number 1. Consistency. Consistency is key to building and maintaining leg strength. Incorporate leg workouts into your routine at least 2 to 3 times a week. Number 2. Progressive overload. Gradually increasing the weight and intensity of your workouts is crucial for continued progress. Aim to add more weight, increase reps, or try more challenging variations as you get stronger. Number 3. Proper form. Maintaining proper form during exercises prevents injuries and ensures that you are targeting the correct muscle groups. If you're unsure about your form, consider working with a trainer or using a mirror to monitor your movements. Number 4. Rest and recovery. Giving your muscles time to recover is just as important as the workouts themselves. Ensure you have at least 1 to 2 rest days between intense leg workouts. Number 5. Nutrition. Fueling your body with the right nutrients supports muscle growth and recovery. Focus on a balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. For more insights into the benefits of a healthy lifestyle, kindly join us on the Discovering Hub Sports. If you found it enjoyable, we encourage you to spread the word to your friends and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share it with your social circle on Facebook, WhatsApp, and X as well.